Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a playlist in Apple Music using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the Library tab at the bottom of the screen to see all your playlist, albums, and songs. In Library tab Playlist, scroll through your list until you find the playlist you want to delete. Tap the playlist to open it. At the top right corner, look for the three dots. Tap the dot to open the menu with playlist options. From the menu, tap Delete from Library. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Delete Playlist again to remove it. Your playlist is now gone from your Apple Music library. Deleting a playlist doesn't delete the songs from your library, only the playlist itself. You can still find and play your song individually in your library. And that's it. That's how you delete a playlist in the Apple Music on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.